It's ugly. I don't need it pretty. Pretty don't work. Alright, we're gonna try to make a little bit more room on this workbench. As you can see, I've got my vise there. This is my little work area I've got. And there's the other half of my workbench. All this crap cluttered in behind my grinders. So my grinders are taking up half my workbench, but we're gonna make a stand for that one and eliminate part of this. And we're gonna take the grinder wheel off. We're gonna put 2 wire brushes on it, put it on a movable stand. Let's get started. All right, went and grabbed one of my axles. It's busted. It's no good axle. All right, we'll repurpose it for a stand. Got an old brake rotor. It'll fit back up on this spindle upside down. Took the bearing race out of it. So it'll fit up in there. We're gonna make it approximately 38, 39 inches high. We'll also take that flat stock here and make a base for underneath that. And it'll sit right on top, well to the stand. Let me get the measuring out and cut some stuff. Alright, these 2 plates I cut, they'll go on the bottom of the grinder. We'll drill some holes in it. Get those drilled out. These plates bolt on right there. That's how it's going on there, and then we'll put the grinder up on top. Look at it, nothing's welded together yet. Right now, it's not at a bad height, I guess. I didn't like the height of it. It was too high. So I went back, cut another, we got about 3 inches off of it. Right now we're gonna clean all this up, get it ready to weld to. We're just gonna tack it in place. Not the best weld, not the prettiest, but this grinder's not going to fall off here. Damn, she's a little warm. Definitely not the prettiest weld. What we're making, it'll do just fine. Alright, there's a quick look at it. It's ugly. I just need it to function. I don't need it pretty. Pretty don't work. Well, now that's all painted. Got 2 brand new 6-inch wire brushes to put on it. It's on there like it was made for it. Moment of truth, see if it'll run. I like it. Like what you're seeing, if it helps you out, great. Like, subscribe, share. More of this to come. Thanks for watching. It's exactly how I wanted it. If you do something like this, do not wear loose clothing. It will take it.